So hello and what's up guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about the width and height property. So this is the HTML CSS full course for beginners series, and let's begin. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to the channel and like this video. So I'll just open my VS Code, and you can see I don't have too much files, only one index.html file and one image. So I'll just put the boilerplate just like this and hit enter. Not like that, it is taking some time. Hit enter. Okay, this is a shortcut way of just replicating that boilerplate. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just replace this document with width and height like this. Now let me open this in my that is live server. So click on this, go live, or if it is not showing, you can just click on this open with live server. Okay, and it will just open in the live server, and there is nothing to see right there, you can see. So let's say I just copying this and I'm using them, let's say an h1 tag, and placing that inside that and saving that. Yeah, we have got that. Now we're going to discuss about the width and height property. So I will be using internal CSS. For that we will use the style tag, and here I will just select the h1 and I will say it a background color, let's say red. Save that, go to the browser. You can you can see this width and height and just background color of red. Now let's say I'm just specifying the width to, let's say 200 pixels, and let's 200. Okay, save that, go to the browser. You can see the width, so you can just specify the width and height length also similar way. If I write here height equals to 200 pixels and save that, go to the browser, you can see the height. So in this way you can increase and decrease the height according to your needs, and you can say, for example, you're creating some websites, so according to your layout designs you can just implement your width and height according to that. And you can see one thing, this pixels are actually, you can say, they're very small units. You can say instead of using, you can just say, you can also use let's say 10 em right here, 10 em. Save that, go to the browser, you'll find this. So em, you can say using 10 em, it is giving me us larger. You can say the size of this box has become, you can say, large. So actually the em is a larger unit. You can just search for CSS units of size, and you will find this link on w3schools.com with the CSS w3 schools. Click on this, and okay, and here you can see this length, absolute length, cm, mm, in this pixels we use the most. Okay, and you can see how it is. You can see the relation also, and you can see this em, it is 2 em means 2 times the size of the current font. Em means it will just enlarge the current font 2 times. 2 means, so we are just increasing it 10 times. And you can say this rem is also like that, and we also use, some of the people also use this rem. So you can see this two, width and this vw and this vh. Vw means viewport width, and this is viewport height. It is also mostly used, and for setting the background, you can say background image or background like that. You can, let me show you. You can just go through here, and let's say I want the background color of the body to be, say, blue, and ignore the beige color, as a background color to be blue, and I want the width to be 100% or 100 vh, not vh, vw, and height to be 100 vh. Save that and go to the browser. You can see the background color. So you can see this width, this height, and this background color, how it's looking. And I hope you've understood about the width and height properties. So see you guys in the next video, and we will be discussing about the border properties in the next video.